Lawrence Tower, this is 715 Papa Alpha at 23 would like to take to the active runway. We'll be doing some landings to a full stop, then going back up.
Number 715 Papa Alpha, wind 250 at 14, runway 23, cleared for takeoff, make right traffic.
Alpha, thank you. Number 15 Papa Alpha, I got a problem with this airplane. I'm coming in.
Number 715 Papa Alpha, you're clear to land any runway, the wind 230 at 10.
Tower, Papa Alpha ain't gonna make it.
No.
Tower, Flint 311, we'll take off and go over to the area.
Flint 311, proceed as requested. Departure be at your own risk, wind 230 at 10.
Own risk, Flint 311.
Thank you. And it looks from here like you might have gone in the water. I can't really tell though.
Yeah, we'll go take a peek.
Yeah. Number 715 Papa Alpha, Lawrence Tower.
Yeah, he's in the water.
Can you see any activity around the airplane?
It's upside down. I see the wheels.
715 Papa Alpha, okay. We're talking to the police right now. If you have the fuel and you can do it, can you just hover above where the aircraft is? It'll help them locate it really a lot easier.
Flint 311, we'll go.
Thank you.
Tower, Flint 311, no movement in the cockpit. Does anybody know what Papa Alpha with the doors like?
Flint 311, okay. Thanks for the report. I do not know. All I know is he identified himself as an experimental. Beyond that, I don't even know what type of aircraft it was.
There's an access from a farm on the north side of the river. There's a road that leads back this way through a field, kind of my position right now.
Farm on the north side of the river. Okay, thank you.